What do you do with your old or expired credit or debit cards? It's an obvious answer that we break them into pieces and throw them away. I don't know about you, but I used to do this until I found this trick. Now I am using these cards to automate tasks with just a tap. Without any further ado, let's get started and watch till the end to know everything about it. Firstly, this trick works only with contactless or tap and pay cards that work on NFC technology. To make it simple, if your card has a Wi-Fi symbol on it, it definitely works. And I have 3 reasons why anybody should use this trick. 1. You are reducing the plastic waste by reusing them. 2. You need not buy NFC tags separately to automate tasks. And 3. It's so much fun to automate few things with just a tap. Step 1. Download the app called Trigger. Step 2. Create a task by clicking on the plus button. Step 3. You have to select when this task should run. In our case, this should happen whenever we tap our card. So choose NFC. Click Next. This is an optional step where you can add restrictions. But to keep it simple, I am not setting up any restrictions. Click Done. You can add multiple triggers as well by clicking on the plus button. But in our case, one trigger solves the purpose, so click Next. Step 4. Choose an action. It is at this point you have to choose what your phone should do when you tap the card. You can control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sounds, display, social media, basic phone settings, open apps, control music, and whatnot. You can even set this to open maps and start navigation automatically to a specific place just by tapping your card. In case you are not talking with your partner, you can set this up to say sorry or I love you on your behalf. This is not in the script and I just made this up to let you know that this feature exists. If you have access to the popular automation app called Tasker, you can trigger those tasks as well. You have complete freedom to explore all the options and click Next when you're done. Select sub options if you get any and click on Add to Task. You can add multiple tasks as well, but for the sake of simplicity, we are just going with one. Click Next. You can even add a switch task here with 2 tasks that toggle with each tap. For example, with the same card, you can set it up to turn on something for the first tap and turn it off for the second tap and so on. It's completely optional, so skipping it. Click Done. Step 5. This is the final step in which you have to tap the card you wish to use for automation. For the first time you tap the card, the app pops an error that it could not write to this tag and that you need to download a plugin from Play Store. The plugin link is in the description as well, so hit the like button and go download it. This is a one-time activity that you need to download the plugin and I will explain you why in a second. After you download the plugin, all the tasks that you set up will work perfectly fine whenever you tap the card. To make it simple, let me demonstrate the entire process with 2 different tasks controlled by 2 different cards. For the first card, I have set it up to open a custom URL. And for the second card, I have set it up to speak a custom message. Let's see how it works in action.
Subscribe to our channel.
Cool, isn't it? If you didn't know you could do this with your bank cards, you should definitely hit the subscribe button. If you know this already, what are you waiting for? Smash the like button and share the fun with your friends. You can use this trick with any card that supports tap and pay. Just make sure that NFC is turned on in your phone. There are many apps out there for automation, but they don't support the bank cards due to the cards being secure and doesn't allow manipulating the data written by the banks. Then in this case, you may have one question in your mind. Is this trick secure? In reality, this app is not manipulating or writing any data to the card. but instead remembering that whenever this card is tapped, I have to do this. That's the reason for downloading the additional plugin. So the logic is triggered in the app and not in the card. The card here is just to activate the trigger. And that's why it only works in the phone that you set up and doesn't work if someone else tapped the card to their phone.